What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use Artlist music on YouTube. Before we start, we have the link to Artlist in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. So go over to artlist.io, log on into your account, and then you're going to look at the sidebar and you have some options. You want to make sure that you're under music in order to have an access to the music catalog, right? So right here you have different music, and in order to find the music you're looking for, you can come over to the top arrow right here and search for the sound you're looking for. You could also go through all these sounds, and depending on the name or just your intuition, you could play the sound and listen to it. This will give you a preview. You can also see that these have some descriptions right here. For example, this is cinematic, this is corporate, this is funk, this is also cinematic. So you can come over here and search for music by genre, you can search by mood, you could also search by video theme, or by the instrument. You could also come over here and sort by staff picks or sort by top download or the newest. There are other filters right here, and this is something that you could also use to sort things out and narrow down or streamline your options. So this is what you can do right here. So let's say you find the sound you like. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using the Light Within. And you can see we already downloaded it. And in your case, if you'd like to download it as well, you just simply need to come over here and click on the download button. This is a download button for each sound, and this is what you need to do. Of course, if you like the sound and you want to have more, you can come over to this icon, and you can see that once we hover over it, it says similar songs. You could click on this to find similar songs, add to your favorites, or you can click on the three dots, you could add it to your artboard, and of course you could share the song. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just be downloading this, and we already downloaded it and we have it right now in our downloads folder in our local drive. What are we going to do next? Well, we're going to go to our video editor. Now you might be using CapCut or DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. However, we're using DaVinci Resolve and it doesn't matter. Really what you're looking for is to have a video editor where you can place the sound into the video which you're working on. And right here, we just have a video asset that we'd just like to add our sound to, just to help you see how it works. So we have two clips right here. The next thing, you need to go over to your downloads folder. So all you need to do is to drag and drop it right there in your DaVinci Resolve or your video editor. So now that we have it, we'll just simply need to drag it into our timeline. Now, of course, the sound is longer than the video, but it doesn't matter because at the end of the video, we just simply need to go right there and cut the sound. But you might also want to pick the best part of the sound in relation to the video which you have. So that's what we're going to do. So as you can see, we've been able to trim the sound to match with the length of our video. So let's take a listen. Great, so we have that and we've just enhanced our video, and we're just going to add a fade out and a fade in to our video, and of course we might want to reduce the sound again. Of course, this is something you'll be doing on your own according to your taste. Now, if you're worried about using music on Artlist and if it's going to be flagged on YouTube, it is important to remember that Artlist music catalog is fully integrated with YouTube's Content ID system, or CID. When music is added to the Artlist library, it also is registered with the CID system. This allows YouTube to recognize and track the use of Artlist music. When your channel or video is on the clear list, that means you're not flagged. YouTube is able to confirm the license and avoid flagging your video. So it's totally safe to use as long as you have your Artlist subscription and you're following the terms of use on Artlist. And after exporting this video, you can upload it on YouTube and you'd have your video with your music from Artlist. Don't forget to check out the link to Artlist in the description below in order to have an easy access and enjoy using Artlist content to enhance your production. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.